Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making chicken and cheese harumaki. Harumaki egg roll is a deep-fried packet filled with shredded meat and vegetables, and one of the most popular Chinese foods in Japan. Today, instead of using the traditional fillings, we are using chicken breast, cheese, and fragrant shiso leaves. These are the ingredients. You can find egg roll wrappers at most supermarkets, but Japanese egg roll wrappers tend to be thinner and lighter, which make the egg rolls more crispy. We want the texture to be light and crispy when cooked, not hearty and chewy. For more information about the ingredients and complete recipe, please visit our website, JapaneseCooking101.com. First, we cut the chicken breast into 3 to 4 pieces and sprinkle salt and sake over chicken, and wrap with the plastic and cook in a microwave oven for about 2 to 3 minutes until cooked through. Let cool and shred them into small pieces and set aside. Mix water and the all-purpose flour to make a paste. This is going to be the glue to seal the egg roll, and set aside. And we slice the cheese into thin strips. Now all of the fillings are ready. Place an egg roll wrapper, one corner facing toward you, and put the fillings, cheese and chicken pieces on one side, and start to fold the front corner. Then place a shiso leaf on the wrapper and keep folding. Tuck in the side corners and roll. And before finishing folding, put some flour paste, the glue that we just made, in the last corner to seal the packet. Like that. And repeat to make 5 more. You can use any mild flavor and melting cheese you like and substitute chicken with other meat or seafood. If you want to add a little more Japaneseness to the dish, umeboshi pickled plum paste can be smeared on cooked chicken before rolling too. Heat the frying oil at medium heat, then fry the egg rolls for 2 to 3 minutes, turning over a couple of times. Be careful of high heat as they get burned pretty quickly. You really don't need more than a few minutes to fry these since the chicken is already cooked. Serve immediately with some vegetables. These harumaki are perfect entree for everyday dinner as well as a great appetizer item for parties. Enjoy! 美味しい。
美味しいね。